So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to size it to your head. So the bead's going to come like so. And we're going to pop it open, go in the opposite direction so we can loosen it. That way our stretchy wire will pull through it. We're going to put the piece on in the front here and slip the clear wire, stretch wire on the back. We have the little tail so we can tighten it to fit and feel comfortable. From that point, we're going to grab our needle nose pliers again and tighten our bead by smashing it down. Just to make sure that's double secure, we'll just slip it off and push that down again. We're going to just tie 3 knots on it. So I got 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to cut off the excess. We want to customize our client's part. She's got a far set part. Some clients are going to wear it more down the middle. You can see we've got a double section on each end, and we're going to be separating in the single section here. By sliding the pieces over, take a spray bottle and spray it first. And then we can start sliding hairs, starting to create a little bit of a gap where that's going to be. From this point, we've got them all tight, and we're going to need to remove just a few of those hairs so we can create a wider gap. When we spray it, it actually kind of loosens the hairs up and makes it swell just a little bit, so they're easier to pull apart and actually come out. So we want to line it up with her part and make sure that we're even on both sides. So when you take a look at it right now, we're even here, but her part is still slightly over. So we want to actually take all the hairs that are here on this side still and slide those over. So once we have that part set, that's when we'll want to glue those ends down so they stay secure and it keeps all the hairs tight on each end. We're going to take the Psyche glue and we're going to add just a dot on each one of our ends here. And then we're going to flip it over and put one more dot on the back side, like so. Line it up with her part where that gap is here. That's going to line up with the part. Pull that down over. At this point, we want to take a rat tail comb or a styling comb, whichever you prefer to call it, and we're going to start pulling her hair out over the top of the whole band. And then at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to go in and cut and blend it into her hair. This, because she wears it short and choppy, I'm going to actually work with some texturizing shears rather than regular shears so we can blend with the rest of that and create that same look and feel.